What up, you guys? SMJ Vlog here. Today, actually it's not today, but I'm gonna talk about tomorrow. Tomorrow, I'm gonna get my new car. Really, I am. It's an SUV. My mom was literally complaining, "Oh, I don't think the sedan is a good car to drive." Wah. I think it is, but hey, at least I'm gonna get an SUV because it's already 2021, so I'm gonna turn 18 in March. Like, seriously, this is my time right now. So yeah, I'll see you tomorrow. And also, I did myself a custom wallpaper for my Sync 2 My Touch, which is a feature of my used Ford Escape car. Please subscribe to my Super Mario John channel because it's almost getting low. By the way, my dad bought this also for his Corvette, but I got this for my car too. It's the magnetic suction bracket so I can hold my phone. Because my phone holder that I had, which is an auto drive, which is a phone holder from Walmart that I bought, it was cheap, but it doesn't hold that much at all. It was broken, like, in the beginning of June. So I was thinking, alright, so I'm not gonna use that for a new car. So I'm thinking to put this when I get a new car. So yeah, I'm gonna put this tomorrow. Almost forgot that I'm not actually getting a new car, it's a used car. I'm ready to get myself a new car. I actually changed my shirt right now because that shirt, the New York Giants, is so small. I'm actually gonna get a new one next time. Well, you guys, we're at my dad's truck, the Lane Ram. And yeah, my car has already been sold yesterday. Yeah, I'm gonna miss him so much, but I think my new car is gonna be even better. I like the new ones. It's really nice. Alright, but seriously, we are here at the actual Ford dealer. Not my car. Checking out this Ford Bronco.
That's a nice little car.
Yeah, I know. The touchscreen is really nice. So what do you have to say about this new Bronco Sport?
Nice little car. If you're looking for a good sports car, small SUV, that would work.
For you?
Nah, I'm a truck guy.
This was I really wanted. The Shelby GT500. It's really nice. So now we're paying for a new car right now. So yeah. I got a car, you guys. Hey, I got back from my dad's ranch, my dad's friend's ranch. So I'm gonna end the video for today, but I need some essentials, which is a Ford lanyard, a door decal with escape sporty thingy. I need to complete one of my favorite teams sports, which is the hockey, which is Chicago Blackhawks. I think that's it. I ran out of ideas. So yeah, you guys, I'm gonna stop the video for today. Hope you guys enjoy my vlog. Peace out.